Okay, so we saw what happened when we changed our compliance. When our compliance decreased, we had a change in our inspiratory pressures as well as our plateau. They both went up evenly, and there was the same, if any, difference between the two numbers. So, what happens when we change our resistance? Well, we're going to expect an increase in pressures, right? The air's having a little bit more trouble to get into the lungs, but we shall see a difference in our peak pressure and our plateau pressure. We should see a greater spread between those two. So let's go ahead and change our resistance. Let's change it to 50 so we can see a big spread and make that really clear on what we're looking for. Before we do that, let's make sure we get that inspiratory hold so we can see what our plateau is. We can see that our peak pressure is 20 and our plateau looks to be 20 as well. Okay, so we can see that our peak pressure has increased pretty significantly, but what about our plateau pressure? Okay, so it's increased by 2 points, but it is still not as even as that peak pressure. It's 7 points difference. So we know that we have an increase in resistance. What could that be? Secretions, something in the airway. That's how we can check, is by doing that inspiratory hold and seeing we have an acute change.